This is the easiest recipe for a tangy egg salad made high in protein and low carb with cottage cheese. It's quickly mixed together with a little mayo, parsley, dill, mustard, and lemon juice. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you like healthier recipes made with all natural ingredients, then you are in the right place. To make this simple egg salad, you're going to need 6 boiled eggs, and you can boil them however you like. My favorite method is actually using this little spaceship egg cooker thing, but you just arrange the 6 eggs in it, plug it in, put water in the bottom, just the bottom of the tray, put the lid on, push the power button, and then wait about half an hour and you'll have some perfectly boiled eggs. And then I'm just going to take my eggs, cut them in half, place them yolk side down, keep them from rolling away. And then once they're all laid out upside down, it's really easy to go through and just chop them into little bite-sized pieces. And you can dice them as big or as small as you like. Now in our bowl, we're going to add half a cup of cottage cheese, and you could use large curd, small curd, low fat, non-fat, whatever your preference. And you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the recipe on my website with all the details. So I'm going to add half a cup of cottage cheese and 1/4 cup of mayo. And this is my homemade mayonnaise that is super easy to make with light olive oil. And I included a link in the video description below so you can check it out. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of dill, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice if you have it, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. You can always add more if you need it, and just a little dash of pepper. And I'm just going to mix this together with my spatula. And then we're going to carefully get all of our chopped eggs down into our bowl and gently fold them in until it's all really well combined. And I love this recipe because it's super versatile, and you could add in some chopped onions or some chopped celery or some relish or whatever floats your boat. And it's really great for batch prepping because you can store it in your fridge and then pull it out and serve it as a lettuce wrap or on a sandwich or toast or however you like. And I would like a sample. That is delicious. I love that subtle cheesy flavor that comes in from the cottage cheese, and it has the perfect amount of salt and other seasonings that bring in the savory. And I love the fresh, bright notes that come in from those herbs. And I love knowing that it's made with my homemade mayonnaise, which means it's made with clean, natural ingredients, which means I'm going to feel just as good even after I eat it. And I want you to know that I believe in you and your ability to make the healthy foods that are going to leave you feeling fantastic from the inside out. And I am here to support you in any way that I can. I'll thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen, and I've included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below. That takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.